Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kong and I'm an undergraduate student studying computer information systems, and today I will be showing you how to use the lookup function in Excel, so let's get started.
Now, as you can see in this worksheet, I have a table that provides information on the city of Atlanta. In this table, you can see that it provides the zip code, the type of mailing, city, state, county, and even the longitude and latitude of each location. Some big companies might find this information useful if they have multiple clients and they need to keep all their information in order, or if they have a lot of locations that they keep into their system and need to be able to narrow it down quickly. So, for example, the zip code given to us is 30320. Instead of looking through all of these cells, we could simply type in the information and have the county, area code, and type brought up for us. Now let's start looking at the Hlookup function. The Hlookup function allows the user to look up info about specific data. When using the Hlookup function, there are multiple steps to perform before the function can actually be used. So first, in cell B3, we have to type in equals Hlookup and open paren. And as you can see, when you type the beginning of this function, a list of values comes up that you have to plug in. So for the lookup value, this represents the data that determines the info that is given back to you. So in this case, it would be zip code. And the table array is the table or chart that the info comes from. So for us, it would be the table right below in cell B10. And then the row index number is the number of the row or column that the info is found in. And for range lookup, it has to be either true or false. So true means that it returns approximate returned match or approximate match returned, but false means exact match will be returned. So in our case, we will always need to use false. Alright, so let's start now. So we are given the zip code 30320, and in cell B4 we're trying to find the county that this zip code comes from. So the first step is to do equals Hlookup, open paren, and we have to type in the lookup value, which is cell B3. And then the table array, we're going to use the table that's right below, and we're actually going to use the cells B10 all the way to DD15 because those are all the values that we need in order to find the specific data. And the row index number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would type in 6, and the range lookup value would be false because in our case we're always going to want an exact match. And now we just press enter, and the county for 30320 is Clayton County. Now for cell B5, it's going to be the exact same thing. Instead of we're looking for the data for the area code. So we would type in Hlookup again, open paren, and we will be using the same lookup value. So it would be B3, which is our zip code. And then our table array will be the same. It would be the data right below us. But instead, we are actually going to use cells B10 all the way to DD17 because the area codes is located in those cells. And the row index number would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it is the 8th row that we need to find our data in, and our range lookup is always going to be false. And close paren, press enter, and the area code says it's 404. For the last empty cell, it's going to be in cell B6. So for this one, we're looking for the type, which is either PO box, it's standard, or it's unique. So for this one, we're going to use the exact same function. We're going to do Hlookup, and open paren, and our lookup value is going to stay the same. It's going to be B3. Table array is the same, so we are going to use cells B10 to DD11 this time because we only need these two columns or rows right here. And our row index number would be 2 because it is the second row. And then our range lookup will be false as usual. And we press enter and it says the type is going to be PO box. So now that we've already put in all the H lookup functions in cells B4, B5, and B6 zip codes. So let's try a different zip code. Let's go ahead and try zip code 30324. So if I were to put that zip code in cells B3 and press enter, everything in cells B4, B5, and B6 changes. So the county would be Fulton County, and the area codes, it looks like it has multiple. It says 404, 470, 678, and 770. And the type has now changed to standard. So that is basically how you use the HLOOKUP function. It's very, very useful if you're trying to look up information very quickly because you just type it right in, press enter, and it all just comes up right for you. And that's it for this video, so thank you very much for watching. Bye!